What's up, guys? So I have another hair video for you, and this time it's going to be a half up, half down quick weave using this deep curly cranberry hair that I received. So I went from a previous style, so if you'd like to see how I got this look without a lot of work, keep watching. So this is the hair I received. Again, it's by Cranberry. I received some lashes. It's a closure that came with it with the middle part, and this is the deep curly texture. Look at the bundles, they look really good and they have like a nice little luster to it. And if you comb out the hair, or pretty much after you wash it, the curls will look like this. They'll kind of be more loose and not so uniform. So like I said, I'm going from a previous style, and I did use Morning Glory to protect my hair and put a cap on top. I know y'all like, sis, what are you doing? You're just ripping the tracks from your head. But like I said, I did use Morning Glory on top, so I'm not pulling it from my hair. You see here, I'm just pulling the tracks one by one. And the tracks aren't easy to come out. Look, they're not going anywhere. So your styles are going to last. It's just that I'm pulling the tracks one by one. And you don't have to worry about any of your hair coming out, and I'm pulling them so easy because I have that cap on. So definitely, if you do a quick weave style, get you some Morning Glory. And again, this is from a previous style, so I'm just taking the tracks off. So this is what it looks like. This side I'm going to have to put back down because it didn't stay down when I did the previous style. Just that side stayed down. So that's how you want it to look. So I'm going to add Morning Glory to my hair. And yes, glue is going to be on my hair a little bit where you can see the braids at the top. But like I said, because I'm using Morning Glory, I don't have to worry about my hair coming out. So right there, I'm adding Morning Glory because I will be adding glue on top of that part right there. Or if you won't, you just wash your hair and do it all over. And I'll leave a link down below showing you guys how I did this previous style so you can see how it started off. But y'all know me, I'm going from previous style. So this is what it looks like when it's hard, and then I'll go ahead and add my tracks. You know, that's just pretty easy, self-explanatory. You just adding glue and putting on the tracks. And like I showed you guys in my last video of my half up, half down, once I start to get to the top, I start to curve my tracks over on the ends so that the tracks can lay flat. So I'm pretty much creating a U shape because I don't have any leave out to lay across my tracks. So that's why I'm pulling them up curved and then going to put my last track straight across. All right, and then after that, this is what it looks like when I'm completely done. So I went ahead and combed through the hair, and it gets really big, really soft, juicy curls. That's exactly how it looks. It is really thick. This is only 2 bundles that I have in my head. Really like 1.5, kind of. Almost 2, whatever. So I went ahead and wet my hair so that I can get the curls back in there, so that the curls wasn't so uniform. That's why I combed them out and added some water so I can get them back in there. So here I'm just combing out my hair so I can put it in a ponytail. And again, I'm using I Am Blessed Superior Edge Control all over my edges so we can sleek them. And I do want a little baby hair, so I am pulling out my edges and then brushing my hair up so that we can have a really neat sleek ponytail. I do like to use like a hard dense brush, and that's because my hair is really coarse, so it's perfectly fine. You know, if you don't like that, you can definitely use any other type of brush. So just add my rubber band, and then I'm just combing my hair up so that I can have it like more sleek. I didn't want like the waves in it. So that's what I was doing. Make a little doodle ball. And now I'm going to go ahead and do my edges here. Just swoop them like so. And then I will go on top with some Gorilla Snot so that they will hold, because it doesn't hold, you know, just using the edge control. And now I'm just going to wrap the ponytail around. And as you can see here, I'm just wrapping, and then every so often I will add a hairpin take some hair to add it around the base so that you can't see the tracks, as well as I wanted the ponytail to be kind of high. So that's why I took a big piece and wrapped it around really neat like so. So I'll go ahead and spray some spritz so that it can hold. And now just combing out the hair like I did the bottom, comb it out, add a little water, and that's what I'm left with here. I'll go ahead and fluff the hair out, and that's pretty much it. That's the whole look. This half up, half down styles has like been taken over 2018. It's really easy to do, no leave out, and as you can see, it is really flat and um, just really flat. You can't even see where I don't have any, like tracks showing on the side. So that's the finished look. Let me know what you think about this. If you like more quick and easy quick weave styles like this, because I know not everyone likes the wigs. So this is something different and really easy, going from a previous style that I did. So yeah, you guys check out this hair. I'll leave all the information down below. And you already know, please thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I love you guys. Bye.